Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you that how can you change the size of sticky note in Adobe Acrobat Reader. So like this, as you can see here, this sticky note has a bigger size. And how can you change the size of sticky notes? So I think you know that how to add sticky notes in PDF, and sticky notes are useful for making some notes for your definition or for something. So suppose that I want to make a note for like this voltage control of magnetism. I want to give some explanation about this term. So to give the explanation about this term, what I will do, I will add a sticky note from here. As you can see this, add a sticky note. I will click on this and I will, like, wherever I want to give that sticky note, I will drag my mouse and I will just click the left mouse button. As you can see, this post is a very big. You have to drag, like you have to hold it from here bottom and just drag it like this. So you can enter the details here and you can make it like this, and if you double click on this you can give details this side. So now suppose I want to give this voltage control of magnetism. I will double click on this. I will write that this term explains about controlling voltage using magnetism. So I just give the definition, and if I click on post, it has posted. So what happens if you minimize this and if you click like this, or if you just go over here, it says that this term explains about controlling voltage using magnetism, as you can see on this side. If you double click on this, you can edit this term also. Okay, so now this has been posted, but the thing is that how can you reduce the size of this? How can you change the size of this sticky note? So if you double click on this, now you can get this properties of comment section. Here you can see the three dot, click on this, go to commenting preferences. Here you can change some properties of this commenting, like the sticky notes. You can change the property of sticky notes, but we are going to see that how can we change the size. So go to the page display. Here you use the system setting, which is 96 pixel per inch. If you click on OK, if you go up, you can see that you have reduced that size. As you can see here, you can change the opacity of this also. So if you right click, so if you right click on this, go to properties, and you can change the opacity to 100%, and in this way you can change the size and change the opacity. So, and if you see here now, the font size has been increased, and you can change the color also. If you right click on that, go here like this, you can change the color. So I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like the video, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.